Alright, we're at the residence and we are going to remove this stack that you see from the starting there with the old cast iron. Somebody's already tried to patch it once. Looks like it's pretty much worn out. Doesn't look too bad from this side, but you can see a few holes there, and right up here is where it starts to get bad. Now this particular stack serves the kitchen sink, and you can see where it ties in up there. That's the Y on its back. We'll come back around here where they've done some changes. See if we can't get a better view. That's where it goes up through the floor, old lead bend, and then we're vented. So we're going to hack in somewhere around here where the pipe's reasonably decent and replace it in its entirety, and upstairs to the new kitchen, to the not new kitchen sink, but to the existing kitchen sink. But this will be all new new PVC when we're done. So that's part one. We'll be back after we've got the new stack in. Alright, we're back. We haven't installed the new pipe yet, but I thought you might want to see this. This is the basically what they call the effective opening after you've gotten this is a 3-inch pipe. You can see a good cross section that's choked down to probably about 2 inches maybe. Let's see if we can zoom in here. That's looking down into the throat of the 90 underneath the floor, but you can see where the metal stops, and you've got buildup from just years of grease and everything from the kitchen sink running through. But also you can see up here at the back it up here at the 45, that's actually on the vertical. This particular one is built up. You can see there on the side where the metal starts, and so now we're going to put in PVC, much like what somebody's put in halfway here before, and you won't get quite that buildup because part of the problem here is the older metal inside starts to rust, and it just gets old like anything else. Builds up, forms a crust along with the grease that everybody puts down sinks, which some of it's unavoidable, but that's where all your black decayed vegetable matter and grease and everything else comes from here. But that's the inside of a pipe. There's probably 40-50 years worth of, I'm guessing, of build up here, and you know, Lord knows it may have been snaked out as well between then and now. But that's going to be our tie-in connection after we clean it up as much as we can. We'll scoop a bunch of that stuff out since we can get to it, and that'll be our connection point at the ground. So, alright, we're actively draining both bowls of the sink and double bowl kitchen sink. So far, so good. You don't see any leaks. We've replaced the entire stack all the way down to the floor there. Another fern coat where we talked about before. On up and over, connected back through the floor there to the sink. And we've actually currently got that running and not showing any leaks, so we should be good to go. The homeowner should be able to put this shower back at their leisure and not have to worry about any problems in the wall. That drain piping is new and it's very functional.